Today I'm going to do the Kaiju lip challenge. So, I'm going to use a plastic marble because I tried a whole bunch of things. I tried my vacuum and I tried the lipstick cap and it didn't work. I tried the Pentagon, but it just didn't work. And then also at the beginning I tried this and it just hurt so bad. I couldn't even stand there for a second. Oh gosh. Okay, so I'm going to be right back with the water bottle. I'm back and I have my water bottles inside, of course. And I poked a hole in the lid because I wanted to keep it like this, but I couldn't because this girl is like your freaking anyway. My cousin. Okay, so let's get started. You know what I'm gonna do? Do this. Oh, my lip doesn't fit. It's holding it out. Do this, then this, and this. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna also turn this side, and you can see how the light goes there. And so I'm gonna for a second, turn it off, and then come back for a minute of it's doing. And yeah, here's it. It's so weird without anything in it. Okay, I'm putting all the air out since it's here. I found a trick out, and I did it, and then you can just get my air in there, and I can have it now, okay. So, as you can understand, all the sections right here, but if you take it off, all the sections don't go out. So what you do is you have this up here. And then just put your tongue up in there. And then your tongue will up. I'm really listening to this song. You probably like it.
Don't need permission, make my decision to test my limits. Cause it's my business, God is my witness. Stop what I finished. Don't need no holder, taking control of this kind of moment. I'm locked and loaded, completely focused. My mind is open. All that you got, gonna skin on my neck. Don't you stop, boy. Something about you makes me feel like you're dangerous from us. Something about you makes me wanna do things that I shouldn't. Something about nothing to prove it. I'm bulletproofing, know what I'm doing. The way we're moving, like introducing us to a new thing. I wanna save it for later. The taste of flavor, cause I'm a taker, cause I'm a giver. It's only nature, I live for danger. All that you got, skin to skin on my neck. Don't you stop, something about
The City of Lufkin Fireworks Extravaganza with K-Fox 95.5, sponsored by Mike Love and Associates Law Firm. He's going to light up your 4th. Join K-Fox 95.5 Monday, July 4th at Ellen Trout Park on the Loop in Lufkin for a full day of celebrating our nation's independence. It all starts at 4 p.m. The zoo will be open and the Z&OO Railroad will run. Live on-stage entertainment thanks to Lufkin ER and the fireworks.
Does it now? They're wearing the same shoes.
No way.
Don't let this happen to you. Find what's different.
Looking for unique shoes that nobody else is wearing? Go to Tips and Toes Boutique, where you'll find the shoes that nobody else is wearing. Located at 1813 South Fredonia, Nacogdoches.
Zhang's Ocean Buffet, Grill, and Sushi is now open. Come in and enjoy 20% off for everyone over 11 years of age until June 30th. They have the best buffet in East Texas. They welcome all their old customers and invite everyone to Zhang's Ocean Buffet. They have all new kitchen and main room equipment. Enjoy time for lunch or dinner. All orders to go include
With light.
or dessert. Sample and taste the
Lipstick on it, see what it looks
Zhang's
like.
Ocean Buffet, Grill,
Yeah,
and
no,
Sushi. Zhang's Ocean Buffet is located at 3613 North Street, Nacogdoches.
Oh my god.
Use the price cash back.
I'm sorry.
A bag that breaks? Or a smelly bag? Time to switch to new Hefty Ultra Strong cash bags. Now for a new low price. They're our best bags yet with Arm & Hammer odor control, and they cost us
I don't know what it is.
Ultra strength, ultra savings, new Hefty Ultra Strong, all for a new low price.
AutoZone presents Peak Performance. Maximizing fuel economy, engine life, and overall performance doesn't take long. Just the bare minimum. Thanks to fuel treatment fluids from AutoZone. And right now, get a 16-ounce can of Seafoam motor treatment for just $7.99. So visit your
Oh my
local
gosh. Look.
over 5,000 locations. The right supplies and good
Where-
basket just around the
where
corner.
I sucked
Sit
on
and
it,
fix your
like-
car with confidence. Hoods up.
Make it look like a mustache. That mustache on my it's too big. It covers it. And the shadow does. Top one though. I'm up out. Okay. I'm making a video. Cover it up. So, wait. I'm gonna add it to this video. Okay. I'm picking it out right now.
For $16.9. Need something bigger? What about a new Fusion for under $20? And new F-150s with over $10,000
Okay, I'm just gonna put some concealer on
Experience the difference.
it.
At LR Ford on the Loop.
I wouldn't really.
Welcome to Staples. Staples guy.
It looks weird. It looks like my mustache now.
Ink. We have to have it, and it's so darn expensive. Well, Staples just cut ink and toner prices. Really? Add in our 110% price match guarantee, and our
Crazy.
prices are unbeatable. Great. Know what else every business owner hates? What? Paper cuts. So true.
Make more happen. Staples will match price plus refund
Okay, there we
10%
go.
of the
It's covered up
difference in
pretty
checkout for items from retailers operating online and retail stores. Limited time.
I look
See
crazy.
stores, staples.com for details. New
Does he even look like me?
Seal Microguard cat litter
No,
prevents
yes.
bacterial odors. To spread
I had to put my lipstick on. It looks like I have no lipstick on. It doesn't even look like I have that on.
bacterial odor continues
Because
to
my
grow.
lips are small and
Fluff and
it's
Seal
pink.
Microguard seals and destroys immediate odors, plus prevents future
It's
bacterial odors for
crazy.
7-day odor control. Guaranteed. It
Pop-up's going back.
new odors from starting.
The bottom lip
Try new
though.
Fluff and Seal Microguard.
That bottom lip though.
You don't need
Okay, actually, I'm making this so long. It's already been like 8 minutes.
synthetic motor oil.
Well, exactly 8 minutes and
Napa. Mobile One offers
56, 7 seconds. Okay, I'm making it 18. Bye.
not so